Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Keller, Texas, where we're doing a basement repair project. Water is coming in through the brick and rolling downstairs into the basement area. And the homeowner didn't believe that it was possible that they were getting that much water. Well, after we excavated, we could see that large gaping hole? We didn't excavate that. Once we broke the concrete, that hole was already there, which means that it's all hollow up against. So what the original builder did not do is they did not properly backfill all this up. What they did is they left it down maybe 1 or 2 feet, so it's hollow. So if water drips anywhere on this porch and rolls to the foundation wall, the water's coming in through the brick. And the slab was poured a little bit too tall, you'd say too high, but as you can see, they're encumbering on top of this brick here. And there's the foundation wall is below it. And that's where originally it was, right down in here. But when they put the deck in for the swimming pool, they changed everything. So when we're looking at it now, you can see water is actually rolling up to the foundation wall. And when it rolls up to the foundation wall, it easily enters the basement. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish chipping this out so we don't disturb the rebar in the foundation. As part of this slab here that's tied into the wall, we will just chip around it. As you can see, like we're doing here, we'll chip around it, and then we will fill in the gravel below it, and then we're going to re-pour this back. And so this concrete doesn't look like a patch, we'll take the brick and we'll make a decoration that'll run all the way down, so it'll be difficult to tell where it started versus where it stops. And then waterproof the foundation wall and seal it up, and we'll be done. We will also take this downspout and roll it inside our drain and run it through. So let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.